In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Coda, new research, if you've been debating which platform can truly streamline your team's work. This walkthrough will give you a clear, practical understanding of how each tool is built and where they shine. Think of it as a guided tour through two different approaches to unifying your workflow, cutting busy work, and giving your team a single place to plan, create, and deliver. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, and its central promise is to help teams beat work sprawl, the common problem where information and context get scattered across chats, emails, docs, and apps. ClickUp's answer is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that sits inside your workspace to provide ambient answers, surface what matters, and reduce the time you spend searching. It can manage projects and even use AI talk-to-text so you can capture ideas and updates up to 4 times faster. The platform also introduces specialized AI agents designed for real work, project management agents that track deliverables and dependencies, marketing agents that draft copy and campaign assets, and software agents that assist with producing quality code. There are also agents dedicated to operations and employee experience, all aimed at removing tedious check-ins and closing the gap between strategy and execution. According to the platform, customers see a 384% ROI, save tens of thousands of hours, and reach payback in under 6 months. It's built for scale, trusted by a very large user base, and aligned with global security standards such as SOC 2 and GDPR. In practical terms, ClickUp is geared toward teams that want an end-to-end system for tasks, docs, goals, dashboards, and AI in one place, with automation and role-based assistance guiding day-to-day operations. To get the most from a ClickUp rollout, it helps to define a single source of truth for your tasks and timelines. Then layer in AI where it has clear leverage. Let the project management agents handle deliverables, and have the marketing agent generate first drafts so your team edits instead of starts from scratch. Enable talk-to-text to capture meeting notes and action items while the conversation is fresh. Use the platform's templates to standardize your workflows, and rely on the assistant's ambient answers to reduce status meetings. The goal is to keep context in one system, so work handoffs feel seamless, not scattered. Now let's look at Coda. Coda is an all-in-one collaborative workspace that treats documents like building blocks for apps. Instead of juggling multiple tools, Coda brings write-ups, hubs, trackers, and lightweight applications into a single doc that can evolve as your process matures. Coda AI supercharges this model by brainstorming content, summarizing long write-ups, and generating structured tables at scale. With more than 600 integrations, you can sync tools like Slack, Jira, and Google Calendar into your docs. Then use templates built for common functions across product, sales, engineering, and marketing. The result is a unified, living document that becomes your team's source of truth. Because the information is centralized and dynamic, many teams find they can eliminate hours of recurring meetings simply by letting the doc do the status reporting for them. Coda also offers a pricing approach designed to support growing teams without the traditional per-seat constraints, and you can start for free or request a demo when you're ready to roll it out more broadly. If you're considering Coda, approach it as a canvas for process. Start with a doc that combines your roadmap, decision log, and trackers. Use Coda AI to turn brainstorms into structured project plans and to summarize lengthy threads into concise updates. Connect your external tools so action items, calendars, and support queues show up where the work happens. As your workflow becomes repeatable, turn that doc into a template others can adopt, which keeps the entire organization aligned without introducing another layer of software to maintain. So how do you decide between the two? Both aim to unify work and reduce busy work with AI, but they approach it from different angles. ClickUp is a comprehensive work management platform with built-in AI agents and opinionated structures for projects, tasks, and execution. If your priority is orchestrating cross-functional delivery with dashboards, dependencies, goals, and role-specific automations, ClickUp provides a tightly integrated command center. Coda, on the other hand, is a flexible Dock-as-App environment. If your team values crafting custom workflows inside documents that can behave like applications, and you want to mold the workspace around evolving processes, Coda gives you that adaptability with strong AI assistance and deep integrations. Whichever you choose, success comes from creating a single source of truth, agreeing on how work moves through your system, and letting AI handle the repetitive parts. In ClickUp, that might mean delegating recurring status updates to an agent and using talk-to-text to speed up capture. In Coda, that could look like automating summaries and transforming unstructured notes into tables that drive action. Start small, align on conventions, integrate the tools your team already uses, and scale intentionally so everyone knows where to find context and how to contribute. That's the high-level overview of ClickUp versus Coda based on the latest positioning and capabilities. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next deep dive.